Hey, my name is Jay Huh. I'm the owner of Carmedix Auto Repair here in Durham, North Carolina. I started this business, back in 2015 out of my home garage, and it's crazy to think about how much it's grown. And I have Autoshop solutions to thank for that. Just growing from my single bay garage and then moving into a 6-space space. Back then, we were maybe doing $30,000 a month. When we signed up with Autoshop Solutions, maybe doing 100 cars. I try to do my own SEO because I'm a do-it-yourselfer, right? A lot of you guys, as a shop owner, you guys like to do things yourself. And so I've tried it. I've read all the books, read all the Google books on SEO, and I couldn't get past page 5. And as soon as I signed up with them, 3 months later, I'm in the top 3 of Google Map packs. Today, we're in a 10-bay facility. We're servicing anywhere between 500 to 600 cars a month, tracking $300,000 a month. It's just been insane growth. If you guys have the pleasure of being able to work with Autoshop Solutions, there's amazing people. It's not just about the product, it's about the people that are taking care of you. So I highly recommend them. Give them a call.